Let's begin with a new chapter today, hardware and software. First, let's start learning objectives. Understand computer hardware, identify input devices, learn about the processing device, identify output devices, understand storage devices, learn about computer software. A computer system is made up of hardware and software. Both hardware and software work together to make a computer function properly. Computer hardware. Hardware refers to the physical parts of the computer that you can see and touch, such as the monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse, printer, speakers, etc. The computer hardware components are divided into four main categories. Hardware: input devices, processing device, output devices, storage devices. First, let's learn about input devices. Input devices are hardware components that help us communicate with computer by giving it instructions or data. Some examples of input devices are keyboard. A keyboard is an input device with many buttons called keys. We use it to type letters, numbers, and symbols into the computer. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing device that we move on a mouse pad. It controls the pointer on the screen, which we use to select and click. Scanner. A scanner is like a photocopy machine. It takes pictures of the documents or images and sends them to the computer. Microphone. A microphone captures sounds like our voice and sends them to the computer. We can use it for recording audio or talking to others online. Web camera. A web camera is a video camera that connects to the computer. It captures videos and images, which we can use for video calls or taking pictures. Joystick. A joystick is a device with a handle and buttons. We use it to control the movements of the objects in video games. Processing device. The processing device is like the computer's brain. The main processing device in a computer is a central processing unit called as CPU. The CPU is divided into three main parts. Control unit. The control unit is like the manager of the CPU. It manages and coordinates the flow of data between different parts of the CPU. Arithmetic logic unit. The arithmetic logic unit is like the calculator of the CPU. It performs mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It also performs logical operations like comparing two values, etc. Memory unit. The memory unit is like the CPU's short-term memory. It stores data and instructions that the CPU needs to access quickly. Output devices. Output devices shows us the result of the computer's processed data. Example of output devices include monitor. A monitor is a screen that displays text, images, and videos. It is like a TV screen but is connected to the computer. It is also known as a visual display unit. Printer. A printer creates hard copies of documents or images on paper. It is connected to the computer and allows us to print our work. There are two main types of printers. Laser printer. A laser printer uses a laser beam and toner powder to create high quality prints. Inkjet printer. An inkjet printer uses tiny droplets of ink to create prints. Speakers. Speakers produce sound like music or voices. They are connected to the computer and allow us to hear audio. Projector. A projector displays images or videos from the computer onto a large screen or wall. Smartboard. A smartboard is an interactive whiteboard that connects to the computer. We can write on it with a special pen and it can also display images and videos. Storage devices. Storage devices help us store our documents like pictures, music, and other files even when the computer is turned off. They come in various forms, each with different capacities and purposes like hard disk. A hard disk is a big container that stores a lot of data inside the computer. It is where we keep most of our files and programs. There are two types of hard disk. Internal hard disk. An internal hard disk is located inside the computer and cannot be removed easily. External hard disk. An external hard disk is a portable storage device that can be connected to the computer with a cable. It allows us to carry our files with us and use them on different computers. Compact disc. A CD is a round, shiny disc that can store music, videos, or other data. We can play CDs on a computer or a CD player. DVD. A DVD is similar to a CD but can store more data. We can store movies or large files on DVDs. Pen drive. A pen drive is a small portable storage device that we can plug into the computer's USB port. It is convenient for carrying files and transferring them between computers. Computer software. Software is a set of instructions given to the computer to perform a task. We cannot see or touch the software of the computer. There are two main types of software. System software. System software is like the foundation of a house. It provides the basic functions that the computer needs to operate. It consists of operating system, OS. The operating system is the most important system software. It controls all the hardware and software on the computer and provides a platform to run other programs. It also acts as an interface between the user and the computer. Examples of operating systems are Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Utility programs. Utility programs are like tools that help us maintain and optimize the computer. They perform tasks like cleaning up disk space, protecting against viruses, and backing up the files. Application software. Application software are like the different rooms in a house. Each program serves a specific purpose and allows us to perform different tasks. For example, word processing software, used for creating and editing documents. Spreadsheet software, used for organizing and analyzing data in tables. Presentation software, used for creating slideshows. Drawing software, used for creating digital art and illustrations. Games, used for entertainment and fun. How does a computer work? Computers follow a simple process to do their work. Input, we give the computer information using input devices like the keyboard or mouse. Process, the CPU processes the information given by the input devices. Output, the computer shows the results using output devices like the monitor or printer. Now let's summarize the chapter. A computer system includes both hardware and software. Hardware is the physical part of a computer that you can see and touch. Input devices like keyboard and mouse help us give data to the computer. The CPU is the main processing device in a computer. Output devices like monitors and printers show us the computer results. Storage devices like hard disks and pen drives keep our data safe. Software includes system software and application software. We cannot see or touch the software.